It's almost 8 o'clock now. Okay, 4 minutes to 8. So we'll start the meeting. So shall I discuss this triangles? I'm having a pretty good number of questions right now of the triangles chapter. Shall I start the triangles object MCQs?
Yes, sir.
All of you on the camera now, children. All of you on the camera. Let them come by 8 o'clock. I can see Samarth. Samarth is in Kashmir.
I sent you the question
Acha, you have sent the question.
in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'm checking that one. The value of the polynomial x to the power 8 minus this is. What is the value of polynomial? 1 minute. What you have sent, I'll just show to everyone. Okay, 1 minute. क्या हुआ इसको? दर्द करने लगा? I'll share the screen once. 1 minute. Doubt you are having doubt. यहाँ पे वो दूध का डब्बा था, दूध के साथ चला गया बाहर वो. See here, the value of the polynomial here. He's asking question. This one, Samarth. The question is like the value of the polynomial x to the power 8 minus x to the power 5 plus x square minus x plus 1 is what? So the value of polynomial he's asking. What is the value of the polynomial? Positive for all the real numbers. Negative for all the real numbers. Depend on the value of x.
It depends on the value of x, right?
If you put 1 over here, so this will be 1 only. And if you put 1 here, this is also 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So value will be 1 here in this case, right?
Yeah.
So 0 will never come, correct?
Yes.
0 will never come, so we'll eliminate this. Now positive is coming. The negative all real numbers. Negative is also wrong only, correct? Either we are having doubt in A and D. Now you put here 2.
So positive cannot be there, right? Here, x to the power 8 is there. So
The answer they gave it as option A, sir.
Option A, right?
Yes, sir. But
So that's why if you put any value, no, Samarth,
yeah, this can be positive.
this will be positive because here power of the 8 is the maximum over here. If you put negative or positive, whatever you put, no, you'll get the always positive number, right?
Yes.
So this positive for all the real numbers you can put. And this is also
So
correct.
why not depend on the value of x? Why doesn't it?
Samarth, what?
So why doesn't it depend on the value of x?
This is also looks like correct only because if you put x value, it's the value it get change, right? Because it means this is not negative will never come in this one. That is, so value of x will be whatever you keep, positive or negative. Your answer will be positive only. Okay.
So
Value
what
of
if we put minus 1 in the place?
minus 1 if you are putting here, this will come 1.
Yes.
And this become minus 1
Plus
is the
1.
answer. This is also plus 1. ए वो अंदर डाल दो उसको. उसके बाद this one x is also 1 only, and here minus 1 plus 1. So your answer is positive, right?
Yeah.
So 7:30 बजे. So this is always positive. So this is answer is only correct if you see here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's clear, Adarsh. Now we are going to do the MCQs based on trigonometry. Sorry, triangles, not trigonometry. MCQs based on triangles. Add page MCQ dated. I'm writing here MCQ dated 25/9/21. So these are the things. First question is coming on the screen. That is two polygons. So this is these are the questions which can come in the board exams this year. So see the question number 1. Which answer is correct? All of you tell fast. Praharshan, on your camera. Praharshan.
Sir,
Teja.
I'm having a power cut.
So power cut means on.
Sir,
No.
C is the answer, sir.
C
The
answer.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, C is
C answer is correct because we have read already in basic concept. Their corresponding sides should be proportional and their corresponding sides should be equal, right? So now question number 2. Two figures having the same shape are and no necessarily the same size.
they are similar. Similar students.
So this is the second question.
Similar figures.
Similar figures, right? So these are the similar figures. Two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Next question is, all questions are easier only, means your level. This time they won't going to ask hard questions in board exams.
So what was mentioned?
See, the height of mountains is found out using the idea of indirect measurement, which is based on what? Principle of
Similarity of figures.
Similarity of figures. Then next one is, this is good question. Good but easy. See this question. In triangle ABC and PQR, Y plus Z equals to what? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, Y plus Z equals to? This is very easy, but if you know the concept, it's very easy. Nothing is there in this question. Sides are proportional. You can just check it out. Sides are proportional. In that you can find. Rasool, what is the answer for this? Did you understand this one?
Sir, the answer is 4 plus 3 root 3, sir.
Achha. Okay. So here answer, they're asking here Y plus Z. So first you can find Z from here. So Z is equals to 8 into 3 divided by 6, that is 4, correct? And Y is equals to, if you do, Y is equals to what do you get? 4 root 3 into 6 divided by 8. 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So 3 root 3 plus 4 is the answer.
Sir,
So
we can also do it with Pythagoras theorem, like the right angle triangle.
Yeah, you can do that also. Because two sides, you know, you can do that. Fine. Pythagoras theorem you do, or by proportionality you can use, no problem at all. Next one is, so this question I'm just sending with the answers.
Answers?
With answers.
Yeah.
So in the given figure ACB.
This is with solution. Right?
Yeah, with solution. That I'm telling you. Answer I'm sending
He
here.
would have cropped it.
Leave, no problem. Here. So in the given figure, ACB is similar to APQ. If AB is equals to 6, AB is equals to 6, BC is equals to 8, PQ is equals to 4, AQ we have to find it out. So these two triangles are similar. It means that this is again parallel also, right? So this angle P is equals to angle C, angle B is equals to angle Q. So you have to find AQ. So again, proportionality theorem we can apply. If you want, you can make, they have given these both are similar. So you can write if you want. AC by AP is equals to CB by PQ is equals to AB by AQ. We can write like this. So AB is given. AB is 6. AQ is given. We have to find AQ only. PQ is given, that is 4. And BC is given, that is 8. So this part is not required over here. So AQ is equals to 4 2s are 8. The 3 will come, right? AQ is equals to 3. The answer is 3. Is it clear? Adarsh? Teja, are you getting this? Teja? What he's doing actually, not speaking, no mic also not working, nothing is working for him. Teja? So question number 6. Tell the question answer number 6 over here now. Answer 6. In triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that 3AB is equals to DE and BC is equals to 9. Then EF is equals to what? Put in the chat box children your answer. Teja Gangarappu, tell me sir, what I should tell Teja? You are getting it or not? You should tell. Teja? Which option is correct?
So I have to do the answer.
Okay, 27th one. Others, can you do this question? Question number 6. Can you do this? See, they have given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So what you can just draw the diagram over here. Just name here ABC and DEF. For your understanding, I was telling you, okay. So they have given here AB by DE. AB by DE is equals to, they have given 3. 1 by 3, sorry. Is given 1 by 3, correct? Means your sides are in proportion of 1 by 3 everywhere it should be there. So ABC is the triangle, this one, and this is DEF. AB by DE, if AB is 1, DE is 3. In this proportion they have given here, okay? So here they have given BC is equals to 9. Then EF is what? This is 3 times, right? So 1 into 3, so 1 by 3 is equals to 9 by EF. So EF is equals to what do you get? 27 centimeter. Is it clear, Adarsh? So next question is question number 7th.
So
So
what was the answer for the fifth one?
fifth one we have not solved. Fifth one,
No, I did solve, but
three we have ticked. No, fifth
yeah, got
three.
it.
So now question number 7th. In a triangle ABC, it is given that AB is equals to 6 centimeter, AC is equals to 8 centimeter, and AD is equals to
There is no C, sir. No C is there.
There's no C. You can put here last. Okay, ABC. So AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A, means this is two equal parts. Okay. And BD, then BD is to DC, they're asking. BD is to DC. AB is equals to 6, AC is equals to 8, and AD is the bisector of angle A. So see, by SAS similarity, this both triangles are what? Similar, okay?
Yes.
It
Sir,
means that
AAS, sir.
side angle side, no? What AS?
Sir,
Sir.
another side, sir.
6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, okay?
Yes, sir.
And this is common.
Huh.
Hey,
Correct,
but
sir.
wait. This is
Yeah,
common.
double AS, sir. Here must be double AS, sir.
See, angle is coming over here. Angle is coming. Next, which angle is coming over here?
Sir, those 90 degrees.
No, it's not 90 degree. It's not altitude. It's given bisector of angle A. Bisector of angle A is given over here. So BD, acha, no need to miss. These two are similar only. So we can write here. This is 3 and this is 4. But how we make these two are similar? That is more important.
Sir, we can make it similar. See, the AD is common, right? Opposite angles to AD, B and angle C. Hence, B and B equals to angle C.
Angle B is equal to angle C. You can say how?
Yes, sir. Because sir, AD is common in both. The opposite angles to AD is angle C here and angle B here. So, sir, from the theorem that if the angles opposite to similar sides are similar, we can prove that B and C are similar.
Acha, like that. I mean, that is different thing. Samar, see, I'm just drawing one diagram. Just try to understand. Wait. So here I'm just drawing the same diagram over here. I'll make you wrong. Okay. So this is one angle happened. And here I'll make. Tell me, these both angle are same.
Which one and which one, sir?
See, this is common in both.
Yes.
This both angle are same. This and this. But angle bisector means we can say correct. This is angle bisector, no?
Yes.
Then we can say these two angles are equal. So anyway, children, we have to not prove anything in the exam time, okay? So remember that if this will be obviously, this will be similar only. These two triangles, they are making it similar. So ratio will be 6 and here is 8, right? So 6 by 8 is coming. Obviously, this will be 3:4 only. So no need to 4. No need to solve in the exam time. Remember that. Anyway, by A similarity got proved. But anyway, directly you can just put 3:4. Is it clear? Next question is question number 8. Eighth one. Praharshan, what is the answer for this? Praharshan. Teja, no responding from your side. No respond. Adarsh. Tell the answer.
It might be 4.
Hmm?
4.
4.
Triangle ABC is similar to PQR. Triangle ABC, PQR. ABC, PQR. ABC is 20 centimeter. Triangle ABC is 20 centimeter. Okay. And this is 40 centimeter. PR is 8. PR is 8. Then length of the AC is what?
4 centimeters.
4.
Yeah.
Length of AC is 4. These all questions are given easy, huh? Question number 9th. See question number 9th. In triangle ABC, it is given that AB is equals to 9 centimeter, BC is equals to 6 centimeter, CA is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Also, DEF is such that EF is equal to 8 centimeter and DEF is similar to BAC. Then perimeter of DEF is equals to what? AB is equal to 9, BC in the ABC and DEF. DEF and ABC both are similar, right? ABC, DEF. Tell me the answer. AB is 9, BC is 6, CA is 7.5. EF is 8 and DEF is similar to this. Then perimeter of DEF is equals to what? So this is easy, no? This perimeter you can find easily. ABC 22.5, right? What is the perimeter? What should be the perimeter of this? So ratio, you know, 3:4, right? So 3:4 multiply by what? Actually, you should do 4/3 over
4
here.
by 3 must be there, sir,
Ah.
as we are finding out DEF.
Yeah, 4/3 into 22.5. So 3 sevens are 21. 28 do 30 will come, right? 30 is the answer for
From where
this.
did you get 22.5?
How I got 22?
Yeah.
I
For
did this
perimeter you are asking, yeah.
perimeter.
I was actually finding
Or you
DEF.
can write perimeter of triangle ABC divide by perimeter of triangle DEF
equals to side square.
is equals to side square.
Yeah.
So
Side square. Direct
ABC
from side square.
6/8. Side square you can do.
Yeah. Sir, no, sir, no, sir. That's for area.
Yeah, that's for
Your
area.
perimeter is there.
So 6/8 is equal to, you can, this answer I'm writing over here. This is 22/5 divided by x. So x is equal to 22.5 multiplied by 8 divided by 6. So answer will come 30. Okay. Is it clear?
Right. Yes.
Hmm. Now question. Others, Rasul, you are getting that? Rasul? See, next question is question number 10th. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to BC. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to BC. Find AQ. Find AQ.
Sir, the answer is 9.
Huh? What?
Sir, will it be 9?
Sir, it will be 4.5, sir.
3/2 and x/3.
2x
The
by
9/2. 4.5 will come, right?
Yes, sir. 4.5.
Basic proportionality theorem. BPT only you can use and get the answer. 3/2 is equals to x/3. This is x. So question number 3, 10th is clear. All easy questions they have asked here.
Sir, from where did you get this question?
I got from actually from one group.
Sir, it's actually This might be for basic.
No, no, this is for standard only. This is not for basic.
Then that's very. We'll get easy
See,
question.
I'm showing here. This is a standard paper only. Standard level is mentioned over here. Okay, see question number 11th now. In triangle ABC, AB is 6, D is parallel to BC, such that A is 1/4 of AC. Then length of AD is equal to what? Say fast. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6.
Sir, you have posted half
The
the
1.5.
Half
the
question. ABCD is given, no? Where half it is there?
And D is parallel to C. Okay.
You can draw, no?
Sir, 1.5. Sir, it's 1.5.
5 centimeters. Sir. I got
Oh.
disconnected. Actually.
What? To 1.5 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay. ABC. I'm just drawing over here. ABC. You are getting Adarsh?
Sir, I told you answer before on.
Before only told same answer. C only.
Yes, sir.
Rasul. What is the answer for this? AE by AC. A is 1. So AB by AC is 3, right? Is it clear? This is 1, so this is 3. This much you have written or not? So here AB is 6 they have given. AB is 6. So what about AD? AD is 2. AD is 2 here. Others, Samarth, see? 1:3 ratio, no? Can you write? Huh?
1:4 ratio. Already got 1:4.
See what is given here. AE by AC is equals to 1/4, right?
Yeah.
So AE is 1. So what about EC?
Yeah, it's equals to 3.
AC is equal to 3 or EC is equal to 3?
It's equals to 3.
Huh. So here they're asking AD. AD means upper part only they're asking.
Yeah,
Acha, acha. Huh. 1 minute.
it's correct, right?
What is the answer for this 1.2? 1.5?
Yeah, 1.5 is correct.
Okay. 1 minute. How am I just doing? This one is don't know. Okay. Let me write AE by AC is equals to what we can write? AD by AB. We can write like this.
Yeah, sir. You can
So
write.
1/4 is equals to AD we have to find divide by 6. Yes, 1.5. It's not 2. It's 1.5.
You took 1/3.
Correct.
Here, value of AB is given, right? That's why we are taking 1/4. Sir, I will just be back in a minute.
Question number 12. What is answer for this? Tell fast. D is parallel to BC, value of X. This is very easy, no?
Yes.
Okay, question number 13th. All of you do question number 13th now. 12th and 13th you can put in the chat box if you want. So 12th is very easy. Those who don't know, just try here. You can write 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. Cross multiply and get the answer, okay? Now do question number 13th. 13. Write in the chat.
Sir, in 12th one, they will get cancelled.
Sir, should we send both of them or one of them? Sir,
Yeah, tell me, children.
so which one should we send?
Which question?
Yes.
Question number 13th.
So
Anyone?
in the
Ah,
12th one, that x and 2x will get cancelled.
okay. Correct.
So the answer will be 9. Sir. Yes, 13.
Okay, fine. What is the answer for 13th one? You are saying 9. Samarth?
Yes, sir, that's 9.
So,
We can do it by directly putting the value. This is the
hmm?
we can do it directly by putting the value.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in figure, LM is parallel to this. All of you got this answer 9? All of you got? So AL 9 minus 3, 6. And this is AC. AL is 6, AC. Yeah, you can find in that way. But you should check each and every option only. Better you can do like this. AL is given and AC is given. So AL by AC is equals to BM by BC, you should write. Okay. So AL is x minus 3 divided by AC is 2x. BM is x minus 2. BC is 2x plus 3. Okay, now you can do whatever you want. Cross multiply you get and just do the answers. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Now question number 14th now. Question number 14th. So this is similar, only triangles is question. Basic questions. See this in figure, AD is AD by DC. AD by DC is equals to BE by EC. and CDE is equals to CED. CDE is equal to CED. Then BC is equals to AC. BC is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. This will never comes. AB is equal to BC. And C is equal to DE. So this only will come, no? If these two angles are equal, obviously this two will be equal, correct? So BC is equal to the BC is equal to AC, correct? Now question number 15th. This cannot see properly. Question number 17th you see. This is NCERT example sum. Question number 17th. Try this. In the given, it is given that ABC is similar to DFE. Angle A is equals to 30 degree. Angle C is equal to 50 degree. AB is equal to 5. AC is equal to 8. Then which of the following is true? Draw here ABC and DFE.
So D will be 30 only. Angle D will be 30.
Okay, angle B will be 30.
D.
D will be 30, you are saying. Okay. Angle D will be 30, but difference is 2.5. So EF. So EF, what is EF over here? Angle D is 30 degree only, that's true. But EF we don't know, no. How it become 12?
Sir, B is the answer.
Huh?
B is the answer, sir.
Yeah, this is
B.
the answer.
Yeah.
See, if this is 8, no, so we are multiplying. See, the ratio we should find 5 by 7.5 is equal to 8 by DE. So from here you will get D is equal to 12. And if this angle is also 100 degree, that's correct. Angle F is equal to 100. And this side will be what? 12. This angle B is correct. See here angle D, you know, 30 degree. But here we are having doubt now. We can't compare only, right? Because this side is not known. It's clear, Adarsh?
So
Now question number 18th. Rasool, you are getting this? Rasool? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Hey, your mic is working, Rasool.
Yes, sir.
With that before it was not working, no?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 18th one. One minute. So question number 18th. This is also NCERT exemplar sum. Try this question. Question number 18th. D and E are respectively the points on the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC, such that AD is equal to 2, BD is equal to 3, BC is equal to 7.5.
Sir, AB will be 5 centimeters, right?
5. Tell Samarth. Rasul, you also answer. So what would be the answer for this? D and E are respectively points on side AB and AC of triangle ABC. So A,
Sir, I think the answer will be C, sir.
C, D and E, right?
Yes.
So AD is 2, BD is 3, BC is 7.5, D is parallel to this. So the length of DE in centimeter, D they're asking, right? So this is easy, I believe. You just take which two triangles, you know? You take triangle ADE, you take once, and one bigger triangle you take. That is A, B, and C. These two angles will be equal and angle A is common. So this both triangles are similar, okay? So this is 3 and this is 5. So D we have to find and BC is given 7.5.
Sir, that AD is 2, sir. 2 centimeters.
AD, here we should find DE, right?
Yeah.
AD is 2 only I've written here. So 2
Yes,
by
sir.
5 is equals to DE by 7.5. So DE is equals to 15 by 5, that is 3.
A equals to 3, sir.
It's clear. Rasul, you are not getting, you are not mentioned anything in chat box. You are not saying also why.
Sir, I'm getting. Sir.
Okay. Now next question is question number 2 triangles are similar. That is not required. So easy question is that. One question which is asked in 14, 15, 16, 17 continuously in every exam they have asked. So tell this question. Triangle PQR, S and T are the points on side PQ and PR respectively, such that just tell me this answer. PQR. T are points on side PQ and PR respectively. S and T, PQ and PR. Such that ST is parallel to QR. Okay. What is answer, Samarth?
Sir, 2 centimeters. sir.
Something 11.
11 you are getting, and one is 2 centimeter you are getting, right?
Yeah, I am getting 2 centimeters, sir.
So this is 4 and PQ is 9. So this is 5 and PR is 4.5. What 4.5 or 45? What is that?
That must be 4.5, sir.
PR is 4.5.
Yes.
Sir, I got 2 centimeters.
You are considering 4.5 or 45?
Sir, I considered 4.5, sir.
This complete part is 4.5.
So that 5 will not be extended till that extent, right?
Okay,
That's
so
why
we should find PT. So we can write here PS divided by PQ is equals to PT divided by PR. Like this only, no? Two triangles are similar, same, we can do that.
Yeah.
So PS is 4 by 9 is equals to PT divided by 4.5.
4.5.
So answer is PT is equal to 2
That's
centimeter.
2 on is not good.
How we got 11? Others?
Sir, it matters. I did 9 into 4.5 divided by 4.
Acha, okay. Next one is ratio. This one you tell children. This is easy. Question 21st. See, if the corresponding median of two similar triangles are in ratio 5:7, then the corresponding sides are how much?
The result for 25 is to 49.
A option you are getting, others.
Yes.
Sir,
Oh.
the B is the answer. 5:7.
Okay. See, median is like side only, no? Others. If they ask something like area or something like that, no. Area side is relation is there. Then you can write a square and all, right? The relation is like this. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Any two triangles are there, suppose. Then we are writing like this. AB square by DE square is equals to BC square by EF square is equals to AC square by DF square. We are writing in this form. Or median is also like the same thing, medium. Suppose medium is there. One median is coming M. Okay. Suppose AM is there, the AM square. And suppose here N is there, the DM square, DN square. So medians are same. If here median and the side is coming, so they are in same ratio. Okay. If you need to compare area and any median or side, then you should do squaring and all, squaring or roots, whatever you want to take. So in this case, your answer is 5:7 only. Clear?
Yes.
If they give here instead of median, if they give area, then what is the answer? Then what the answer will be there?
25 is to 49.
Sir, 25:49.
Sure.
Yeah.
See, area is 5:9. Sorry, 5:7
7.
is equals to side square. I'm finding AC square by DE square. So how? What you are saying? Root you should take, no? AC by DF is equal to, should write in root. Root 5 is to root 7.
Sir, you said that these are the sides, right? You asked the area.
See what I have given. If instead of median, if they are here, if they're given area,
Okay,
area.
sir, if you take the median as the ratio of median as area, so it will be in root. If you take the sides as median, so it will be 25:49.
So this is the area is in ratio of 5:7. So sides will be what? Sides will root 5:7. Okay, others. So here also people will do mistake. If side is given, if they're asking area, then you should square it. We are doing correctly only now. Suppose your side is given. Sides are in ratio 5:7. Then area
25.
is equals to 35:49. Right?
25, sir, 25.
25:49. So area you're finding means this area will come. So remember these things. It may be root, it may be a square. So try to understand the concept. Okay, children. I think today we have done around 20 questions. So next class, I'll just share this worksheet to you people. Okay.
Okay.
Solve and come back by the next class on Monday. And tomorrow, which one we should need test?
Sir, As Hemant sir is saying, we can also conduct the test on all chapters, right?
All chapters, this one.
Yeah, we can do it for all chapters. That will better preparation for also term one exams.
Okay, okay. Fine, I'm planning messaging in the group right now. Okay. Okay, children, you can leave for the day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Have a good day,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good day. So, I close the meeting.
Sir, I'm not able to leave, sir. Could you take
Acha,
me out?
I'll end the call.